I got you something.
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Yay!
Stickers.
Yes! We did get the brackets. Should we get everything to Welding down? I hit my chin. The windows are not going up anymore. I think nothing is happening. Sorry. We found out we took out the comfort control module while we were stripping the interior. So while the paint is drying, we're gonna go to the car Venyard. For all old cars go to die. And there's a TT there that hopefully still has this comfort control unit. We're gonna take it apart and then come back for the spray painting job. I got it.
Nice. That's it. We also just could have opened the trunk.
We could have, but this is cozier. You know, it's more like this is season.
Intimate.
The cozy season. Okay.
All right. Moment of truth. You don't have power.
Yes! Oh, whoa, 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 stop.
This thing.
Oh, that's sounding good.
It's working.
It's working!
But the battery's dead, I think. The
Yeah, battery is dead. Okay.
But the windows work.
Yay!
wonder you missed the ball.
No way!
Nice.
Even though she looks ready, there's quite some things that still need to be fixed. As you can remember from episode 1, there were some fault codes in the computer that need fixing. Also, we saw some leakage underneath the lift. Wheel hub needs to be replaced, and there are some couple of tubes that need replacing as well. But we have a date with the tuner with the S3, so it's back to the S3 for now, but we'll be back with the TT very, very, very soon. So happy.